Welcome to online education. This is T. Narahari, lecturer in mathematics, GDC Mahabad, head department of mathematics. Now, today discussing about kinds of vector spaces. What do you see? VF is a vector space. Here, VF is a vector space where V is a set of all vectors and F is a field. You know field definition already, you know in 4th semester. V is a set of all vectors. VF is a vector space under the 10 properties. First is 5 is addition properties. Other 5 is scalar multiplication properties. 5 plus 5, 10 properties. Under the vector space, VF is a vector space under the 10 properties. That is addition properties and scalar multiplication properties. Now today discussing about the kinds of vector spaces. Kinds of vector spaces means you see once again this here. Kinds of vector space means here VF is a vector space. VF is a vector space where V is set of all vectors. And where F is field. F-I-E-L-D, field. What do you see? Field means, you know, real number set field and complex number set also be field. Here under F you consider R and also consider C. Take any one, no doubt at all. R and C, because R and C are fields. Under F you consider real number set and under F consider 1 times C, complex numbers. See here, if consider R first of all, that is VR. VR means V is set of all vectors, R is the real number set. Now in this case, this vector space is called real vector space. Real vector space. In this case, you see real vector space or Euclidean vector space. This is. Now second one, under F you consider C. VC is also a vector space. No doubt it is also be satisfied 10 plus 10 properties according to addition and multiplication. Now VC, C is what? C is complex number. VC is a vector space. Now this is called, what about C? Complex vector space. Now all imaginary vector space. Why are called imaginary? Complex numbers are called imaginary numbers. Here gathered all imaginary numbers. Then it is called imaginary vector space or complex vector space. You read any one, no doubt at all. Same names. Complex vector space or imaginary vector space. You know, third one is what? See, VF is a vector space. F is any field, not particularly C, R and C, no doubt at all. F is any field. V is a set of all vectors. In set of all vectors, you consider only 0. Consider only 0. That is, what about see only 0 in V? Set of all vectors, consider only 0, it is singleton set. This singleton set is also a field, vector space. It is only 0 with respect of addition and multiplication satisfied 5 plus 5 properties. No doubt. 5 is addition properties, this 5 is scalar multiplication properties. 10 properties only with 0. 5 plus 5 properties satisfied. Now, this is what see a vector space. This vector space is special, only 0 is there. This is called 0 vector space. 0 vector space or null vector space. Null vector space. Now, vector space, here define vector space, 3 types. This is C. Some other also be there. First is Euclidean vector space. Second one is imaginary complex vector space. Here also real vector space. Real vector space. Complex vector space or imaginary vector space. And null vector space or 0 vector space. 0 vector space. These 3 kinds of vector spaces are defined. How to define these 3 kinds of vector spaces? Please observe, see once again. VF is a vector space. F is field. Under F, you consider real number set. Real number set, because real number set is a field. Always under F, you consider field. R is real numbers. R is a vector space. VR is a vector space. It is called Euclidean vector space or real vector space. And F, under F you consider C. Under F you consider C. C is a complex number. That is called imaginary vector space or complex vector space. Only 0 is there in set of all vectors. Singleton set, that is 0. That is called null vector space or 0 vector space. These kinds of vector spaces. Some other also be there coming in the way. See, next you go to properties of vector space. Next you go to properties of vector space. What is the properties of vector space? Listen, see here. Properties of vector space. Properties of vector space. Vector space. It is. Properties of vector space. How to see here? VF is a vector space. And 0 is a identity element in V. And U is also element of V. And C is also element of F. Then you consider the following properties. Number 1, 0 into U is equal to 0. Now second one, C into 0 is equal to 0. Third one, minus U into 0, minus U is equal to, right, minus 1 into U. For all U is also element of V. For all C is also element of F. For all U is also element of V. This is the properties. See, these 3 types of. Now prove this one by one. First you see here, that is 0 into U. Proof of this. First, what see? 0 into U is equal to 0. This is right. 0 you write here. 0 plus 0 into U. This 0 you write 0 plus 0 into U. Right, see? 0 plus 0 into U is equal to 0 into U plus 0 into U. Now write 0 plus 0 into U is equal to 0 into U plus 0 into U. You consider what is C, left right cancellation law. Here 0 is equal to 0 into U for all U is also element of V. Simple 2 or 3 steps you prove first case. Now second case you see. Whatever second case, this is second case. C into 0 is equal to, similarly same way C into 0 is equal to C into 0 plus 0. Here 0 plus C into 0 is equal to C into 0 plus C into 0. Similarly, same right cancellation law, 0 is equal to C into 0 for all C is also element of F. Here C is came from F, here U is came from V. These two properties, first property and second property, listen see. First property and second property, see what is that? U. First property U is came from V, second property C is came from F. This is scalar, this is vector. Second two properties. Now see third property, proof of third property, minus U is equal to what do you see here? Minus 1 into U. By first property, you consider by first property 0 into U is equal to 0. Here 0 you write 1 minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0 you write. Again U. Here write whatever 0 is equal to minus 1 into U plus 1 into U. Right? You write this way. What is C? You write 1 into U minus 1 into U, 0 is equal to, here minus 1 into U is equal to U for all U is also element of V. This simple two steps, this is also be satisfied three properties. This totally what is that? Properties of vector space. Properties of vector space. Properties of vector space. Properties of vector space. 1. What about C? 3 kinds of there. Also be some other also be there, but here 3 considered. 0 into 0, 0 into U is equal to 0. C into 0 is equal to 0. Minus U is equal to minus 1 into U. For all U is also element of V. This is the types of manaki. Now next to go to the, this is properties of vector space. Now 0 into U is equal to 0, C into 0 is equal to 0, minus U into minus 1, this is our case, this is properties. See. Now next here, now the set of all vectors, 2 entries. Here V is what about the set of all vectors. Set of all vectors, 2 entries. 2 entries means you see A1, B1, this type of A1, B1, comma A2, B2, these 2 entries. This is called R square. This is called what about C? R square. This is called R square. R square is equal to write what about A, B, where A comma B is also element of capital R. This is. Here R is vector space, R is also be field. Similarly, you define 3 entries, R cube. That you write A, B, C. Write A, B, C here such that A comma B comma C is also element of R. This is 3 entries. Now similarly, you define nth entries A1, A2 dash dash AN. All also be A1, A2, A3 dash 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 AN is also element of R. This is nth order. All also be element of R. This is R power n. This R power n now going to show this R power n with respect of addition and dot is a vector space. This is one of the problem you see here, how to show vector space. R power n plus dot is a vector space by using binary operation plus and dot. R power n, you write, see how to consider the place between two vectors, how to consider the between the scalar and vectors scalar multiplication. You see, first to define place between two vectors. A1 A2 dash dash an is also element of R power n. Similarly, b1 b2 dash dash bn is also element of R power n. Here now see this. What about addition between these two? How to define this? Here a1 a2 a3 dash dash an plus b1 b2 b3 dash dash bn is equal to a1 plus b1 a2 plus b2 a3 plus b3. What you see here? Corresponding elements you are adding. A1 plus b1, a2 plus b2, a3 plus b3, an plus bn. This is the result. It is called, this matrix is sum of these two. This matrix is called sum of these two. Here vector addition is defined this way. Vector addition defined this way. Now scalar multiplication defined. C is also element of f. C is also element of f. And u is equal to a1 a2 dash dash an is also element of R power n. Now how to define this C? Here C into u is equal to C into a1 a2 dash dash an. Here C is scalar. You multiplied each and every element in column numbers in the matrix. Here C1 A1, sorry, CA1, CA2, CA2, CA3 dash dash CAN. This is defined as scalar multiplication. With respect of addition operation, with respect of scalar operation, scalar multiplication operation. From these two going to show R power n is a vector space. R power n is a vector space. How to show? Now following the verify the vector space properties. Vector space properties. First, already you know vector space properties. First property, what is first phase? You know R power n plus is an abelian group. Is an abelian group. This is no doubt at all. First you take closure property. How to show closure property? Consider two elements. U, V is also element of R power n. U means U is equal to consider A1, A2 dash dash AN. Here V is consider B1, B2 dash dash BN. Right? Sum of these two, A1, A2 dash dash AN plus B1, B2 dash dash BN by given binary operation is this way. Corresponding elements are added. Similarly, same here. A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2, A2 plus B2 dash dash AN plus BN. This is C. Here you know A1 is also element of R and B1 is also element of R. Sum of these two, A1 plus A2 is also element of R. Because R is satisfy the closure property with respect of addition. Similarly here, A1 plus B1 is also element of R. A2 plus B2 is also element of R. So on, these also element of R. Total these elements are came from the set R, given set R. Came from the given set R. Now this is also element of R. Please observe. This total sum of the matrix, sum of these two matrix, right, is also element of R power n, because closure property is satisfied. You see, understand this way. Here A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2, An plus Bn. When it is also element of R power n, here involved elements, these are elements. Also elements of R, this matrix is also element of R power n. Otherwise not. Each and every element, how to gather here R power n? R power n, how to gather here R power n set you write, how to write the set R power n? See, A1, A2, dash dash An. How to define this? Here A1, A2 all also element of came from R. ఇవి ఆర్లో ఉంటే ఈ మ్యాట్రిక్ ఆర్ పవర్ ఎన్లో ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ A1, A2, A3. దీస్ ఆర్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆల్సో బిలాంగింగ్ టు ఆర్ రియల్ నెంబర్ సెట్. దిస్ మ్యాట్రిక్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఎలిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్. అదర్వైజ్ నాట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ సెట్, ఆర్ పవర్ ఎన్ సెట్. Now next go to the associative property. It is very simple associative property. Simple associative property is very simple associative property. See how to see associative property. Here see u comma v comma w is also element of R power n, where u is equal to see a1 a2 dash dash an, v is equal to b1 b2 dash dash bn, c is equal to c1 c2 dash dash cn. Now see a u plus associative property under u plus v plus w is equal to u plus v plus w. U under you take this, v under you take this, w under you take this matrices. Now add this. Sum of these three matrices represent A1 plus B1 plus C1, A2 plus B2 plus C2 dash dash AN plus BN plus CN is a left side of the matrix. Now right side same answer you get, A1 plus B1 plus C1 up to C. That is what about C? AN plus BN plus CN. This is two matrix. LHS is equal to right RHS. Therefore what? See, associative property satisfied. See, this is associative property satisfied. Now next to go to the, it is important, identity property. How to identify the identity property? How to take the identity property in R power n? R power n, how to construct R power n? R power n, how to construct the R power n means all elements, R power n contains all elements in R. But see, here A1, A2 dash dash AN is also element of R. Here matrix A1, column and matrix A2 AN is also element of R. This column and matrix is R power n. When A1, A2 AN is also element of R. Otherwise, this matrix is not in R power n. These are elements. Here involved elements all are also be element of R. This column and matrix is also element of R power n. See here, first you consider the elements in R. You know R is real number set. 0 is also element of R, no doubt. 0 is also element of R. 0 అనేది R లో ఉంటుంది. Now this 0 తో మనం ఏం చేయాలి? Now consider the column and matrix 0 0 0 up to n is also element of R power n. All also be 0. Now here again, what about C? In the set of R power n, how to define R power n in above is given. Please, it is please understand this property. It is very important. R power n, how to define R power n? Sir, A1, A2, AN is also element of R power n, where A1, A2 dash AN is also element of R. This is only given condition. but not given a1 is a1 not equal to a2 not equal to a3, not given this condition here. Here if this given condition this, it is not a element in R power n. Here a1 not equal to a2 not equal to a3 not equal to a4 is given a condition under this set. This is not a element. 0 0 0 0 means all a1 a2 a3 are equal to 0, all also be same. But see here given this condition a1 not equal to an, these are 1 1 1 is not element of R power n, 2 2 2 2 is not element of R power n, but not given this condition. మన అదృష్టవశాత్తు ఈ కండిషన్ ఇయ్యలేదు, not given this condition, because all zeros is also all power n. Column and matrix, 0 column and matrix, 0 column and matrix, single column and matrix is also element of R power n. This is a identity element in R power n. Your identity property is understand this way. When you are 0 0 0 0, all zeros is there, because 0 is also element of R. When it is 0 is also element of R, all zeros, this column and matrix, this column and matrix is also element of R power n. No 0 element of R, this column and matrix also. Under given this condition a1 not equal to a2 not equal to an, this is also not element of R power n. This is, please observe, this is the properties, identity property is very important. 0 0 0 is also according to our given set constructed by a given set, 0 0 0 is also element of R. మనకి ఎలానైతే ఆర్ పవర్ ఇచ్చాడో, ఏ కండిషన్ కింద ఆర్ పవర్ ఇచ్చాడో, ఆర్ పవర్ ఎన్ ఇచ్చాడో, అండర్ దట్ కండిషన్ 0 0 0 0 is also ఆల్ పవర్ ఎన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద కండిషన్ ఆఫ్ ఐడెంటిటీ ప్రాపర్టీ, ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ సిఎల్సి. నౌ నెక్స్ట్ గో టు ద ఇన్వర్స్ ప్రాపర్టీ. హౌ టు కన్సిడర్ ఇన్వర్స్ ప్రాపర్టీ? సిమిలర్లీ సేమ్ వే. హియర్ ఆర్ ఈజ్ ఏ రియల్ నెంబర్ సెట్. యు సీ any a is also element of R, a1 is also element of R, minus a1 is also element of R, because R is a group with respect of addition. R is a abelian group with respect of addition, because a is also element of R, minus a is also element of R. Each and every element possesses addition inverse in R, because a ఉంది R లో అంటే మనకేమొస్తుంది, a1 a2 డాష్ డాష్ an ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఎలిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ అయిపోతుంది. ఎప్పుడైతే మైనస్ a1 ఎప్పుడైతే ఆర్లో ఉంటుందో, వెన్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ ఇన్ r1, మైనస్ a1 మైనస్ a2 డాష్ మైనస్ an ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఎలిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ కేస్. హియర్ నో మైనస్ ఆర్, మైనస్ a1 మైనస్ a ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్, మైనస్ కాలమ్ అండ్ మ్యాట్రిక్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ పవర్ n. ఈజ్ దేర్ in R, it is a exist in R power n. Otherwise not. Please see. It is under the given condition. How to construct the set is important. మనకు R power n ఎట్లా కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ అయింది అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇక్కడ. అట్లా కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ అయిన దాని కింద ఏ కండిషన్ కింద మనం ఉంటామో, ఏ కండిషన్ కింద ఈజ్ దేర్ R power n, how to construct the condition, what is the given condition. According to that condition, here there exists inverse property, inverse matrix. Each and every column and matrix possess inverse. Listen, see, this is, it is the inverse property. And to see commutative property is simple. Commutative property, how to see commutative property? Commutative property means u is also element of v. To take u and v is also element of v. U plus v is equal to v plus u. No doubt at all. Matrix addition satisfy the commutative property always with respect of addition, because corresponding elements are adding here. That is, in that case, u plus v is equal to v plus u for all u v also element of R. Please, R power n with respect of addition is an abelian group. Is an abelian group. Is satisfied five properties. Five properties. First is closure property. Second is associative property. Associative property and identity property and inverse property and commutative property. Already discussing above. Discussed above. Please sense this is. Now go to multiplication. Now go to the Now go to the scalar multiplication properties. Scalar multiplication properties. Scalar multiplication properties. Scalar multiplication properties. How to see scalar multiplication property? Here sixth property is very important. Listen, see. How to see? Here A is also, now see. C is also element of F. C is also element of F. U is also element of U is also element of V. Now Cu is also element of V. This is the SM closure. SM closure means scalar multiplication closure. Scalar multiplication closure. How to see scalar multiplication closure? See, this is scalar multiplication closure. See here. C is also element of F. It is clearly you know what is scalar. U is also element of R power n. R power n means it is a Kalman matrix. R power n contains all Kalman matrix n entries with n entries. U is equal to, you see the A1, A2, dash dash AN. See. You multiply these two. Now see C into A1, A2, dash dash AN is equal to answer CA1, CA2, dash CAN. Listen. CAN. It is compulsory CA1, CA2, CAN. C is element of F. A1 is also element of R. This total CA1 is also element of R. CA2 is also element of R. CAN is also element of R. CA1, CA2, CAN. These are R. ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనకు ఆర్లో ఉంటాయి. When it is elements in R, this Kalman matrix is also element of R power n. This is the under the condition. What you see here? Each and every element here involved, each and every element is also element of R power n. R. Each and every element. See, first and second and third. This are every element is also element because C is also element of R. F. A1 is also element of R. You see this? No doubt at all. C A1 is also because R satisfy the closure property under multiplication. Because each and every element is also element of R. This Kalman matrix is also element of R. Therefore, SM closure is satisfied. You understand this property, sixth property. This is very important property, sixth property. Some other vector spaces. Now, under sixth property is not satisfied, that is not a vector space. Here, sixth property is satisfied. Now, seventh and eighth properties and ninth property write under similarly with properties enough. This is case for see how to write this seventh property. Listen, what is our seventh property? What is our seventh property? See. Seventh property is A is element of F and U comma V is also element of R power n. That implies A into C plus U. U plus V is equal to AU plus AV. No doubt this also be same answer you get. LHS is equal to RHS always. See, A into U plus you take A1, A2, dash dash AN is a Kalman matrix plus in V plus you take B1, B2, dash dash BN, C and is equal to AU, A1, A2, dash dash AN plus B, B1, B2 and BN. Either A. See, here A1, you already first you add these two. How to get C? A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2, right? And you write AN plus BN. You write C, this is here A1, A2, AN. Here plus AB1, right? AB2, ABN. Here adding please A into A1 plus B1, A into A2 plus B2. Similarly, A into Bn, An plus Bn. Here is equal to AA1 plus AB1, AA2 plus AB2. This is same. LHS is equal to RHS because seventh property is completed. Similarly, eighth property. Eighth property is A comma B element of F and U is also element of R power n. A plus B into U is equal to AU plus BU for all. Here see this A plus B into U is equal to A1 A2 dash dash AN, A into A1 A2 dash dash AN plus B into A1 A2 dash dash AN. Both side answer you get A plus B A1. Similarly A plus B AN. This is equal to AA1 plus BA1 AA2 plus BA2. Similarly this is LHS is equal to RHS. This answer, eighth property is also satisfied. Now go to ninth property. Please see. Ninth property, how to satisfy ninth property? See, Lisa. ABU is equal to ABU. This is no doubt at all, for it is directly satisfied. Now, tenth property, one is also element of F, and U is also element of V. V is also element of V. That is 1 into U is equal to, you write U for all series. Now next, 10 properties are satisfied. Therefore, R power n plus dot is a vector space. See, here R power n, how to define? It is important. And plus is important. How to define? Plus also, binary operation. Dot, how to define? ఇవన్నీ ఎలా డిఫైన్ అయ్యాయో వాటి తీసుకొని మనం ఇక్కడ వెక్టార్ స్పేస్గా ప్రూఫ్ చేస్తాం. ప్రాపర్టీస్ అన్నిటిని 1 by 1 మనం ప్లాన్ చేసుకొని వెరిఫై ద వెక్టార్ ప్రాపర్టీస్. హౌ మెనీ వెక్టార్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆర్ దేర్? 5 plus 5. 5 is addition properties, 5 is scalar multiplication properties. And 2 stages vector space is completed. This is the our. Now next you see other definition, subspace. Subspace means, you know, in group theory subgroup. In your group theory subgroup, listen see. And ring theory subring, listen see, these are words. Subrings and subfields. These are already you know this in our 4th semester. Group, after study of group, you learn the definition subgroup. After learn the rings, subrings. After field, you write subfield. Here also same. After vector space, now learn subspace. Similarly, same definition is transferred to here. This subtraction is transferred to here. Here also is transferred to here. Same all. Subgroup, how to define subgroup? Similarly, same subspace. How to define subring is same define as subspace. How to define subfield? Here also be same. Here, what is H is a subset. Please listen. Subset of vector space V. And H is also a subspace. H is also a vector space with respect to same binary operations. It is very important. Same binary is important. What is the binary operations in V with respect of same binary operations? Here H is also a subspace. H is also a vector space. Then H containing V. H containing where H is a subspace of V. V is sub vector space. No doubt H is also be vector space. But here H is called what is? H is called a sub. H is called a subspace of V. How to here sub? How to use the sub word? Because subset is there here. Between these two, H is a subset of V. Because subspace. That word is similarly transferred to here. Subset. What is in our set theory in 10th class level? Our subset. How subset means all elements in H is also elements V. That is subset. Here also be H is a subset is given in above. Subset means here all elements in H is also elements in V. But H is a subset of this. H is a subset of this. Here H is a subspace of vector space V. This is subspace of vector space V. Now, okay, subspace definition. After you see other definitions and other some theorems, important theorems, you learn this today's. Thank you for all our. Okay, once again see this.